Dark 34 Fusion. Right now, they're trying to come out. This is it right here. I'm pulling in front.
Alright guys, signal 4 into the patrol car, hold the station.
Station is in 33.
Black male running southbound across the parking lot. White shirt, black shorts.
Stay with the car!
10-4.
Jumping a privacy fence, past the camper, still southbound. He's over by the gas pumps for the diesel.
Hey, Kilo's coming in the area. Just hold what you got. Here.
Alright, Kilo, go around the those pumps.
What's going on the vehicle?
Kilo to your left.
Hey, don't move! Don't move! Vehicles in the parking lot! Vehicles in the parking lot! The vehicle's taking a 10-8. They're going eastbound 484.
Kilo, he's running back southbound. Eastbound going under the...
619 behind the vehicle.
Kilo to your left. Alright, they're taking the driver in custody. Which way did the car go?
619.
South Marion or South Central. We're eastbound on 145th Street, heading towards Sunset Harbor. We're up, correction, 301.
Alright, vehicles follow. Go ahead and set your lights and sirens. Stay close and let everyone work. They passed 47th now. Still eastbound.
And make sure the Bellevue units are aware for in case they go north, and if we can get somebody south on 301 if we got anybody. They're still eastbound 145th Street, coming up to 301.
1039 to them already.
10-4. Still about 75, 80 miles an hour. Traffic now trying to get out on the 301. Looks like they're trying to go south. Going northbound 301. Almost signal forward, northbound 301 towards Bellevue. No, there was no signal forward. They're back northbound on 301. 60, 70 miles an hour.
10-4. One of the units that are trailing can get up with them. It's a good place to pit if we can get on it. That's their jump out there.
Alright, doing a U-turn. Kilo and the unit pursuing it. Looks like they're doing a U-turn coming back south. Nope, correction. They're going now westbound on 135th Street. Westbound 135th Street from 301. All over the road, almost in the grass, so I don't know if the tires are going flat or what.
112 Alpha, guys. Can you guys give me location?
10 for case number is 80049. Repeating, 80049.
10-4. Still westbound on 135th Street, passing 55th Ave.
The unit behind you, get ready to turn around. They're going right towards you.
Yeah, if somebody can get stop 6 at 47th Ave and 135th Street.
105 Alpha 65.
Alright, in the ditch, still westbound, slow speed. The tires are definitely coming apart on it.
6.
It's in the road behind you. Get out of the roadway.
India 43, NKT I-43, it's a brown GMC.
Alright, coming to a stop here in the middle of the road.
5980, hold it. The pedal up is all work.
Alright, hold the station, Marion. It's the only stop here.
33. Yankee 20, Ocala 10-8, so far. So far.
Silly rabbit, tricks I forget.
You hold them outside, right?
Yes. Hey, go to the general, save some time. No, safe flight repair, safe flight replace.
Uniformers, don't you? Mm-hmm. Are we going on?